Alright, Andy here, VW Coco, back on the UK's rustiest Karmann Ghia. Won't go to film, but I just want to try to attack this passenger side front wing. As you can see, that's about ½ inch of filler. And all I'm using is a hot air gun and a palette knife. Seem to be coming off alright. Just done this piece here. You can see, unbelievable. But just like the front wing, I can't see any damage. So it's been painted a few times, the original orange. And we've got the hot pink, and then the British Racing green. But look, that could be even 3/4 of an inch. Near the hot air gun today. Outside it was 5 degrees when we got up this morning. Well, it's just coming off in chunks. Look at it. Wow. Wowee, as VW Coco says, but look, wow. Sheesh. I won't be spending all day on it. I may give it an hour so far. I'll get. So once we get down to bare metal, we'll see what's what then. I've got a plan what to tackle first, but you'll see. Wow. So the further down I go, it's a lot thinner, so not as much body filler. Obviously here, I'll do like, that's the original line there, the wing. It was all hand built. Oh well, about 10 minutes in now. I can tell by not much filler, a little bit of filler here, but there, as you can see now, not hardly anything. That pink's pretty cool. Still haven't found any pictures of it in any magazines or online for when it was pink. Yeah, that's just a very thin layer of paint, which is good. Yeah, cool. You can see bare metal already. That's about 2 mil thick. So hopefully, fingers crossed, which I doubt it, that'll be the complete wing. I just thought I'd quickly show you how I'm doing it. Can't see no orange paint. It's just the hot pink. My normal paint supplier is out of paint strip at the minute, hence just using the gun. So use the paint strip on the bare metal bug over there. As you can see, it is chipping away. No doubt it'd be a lot thicker as we go down the wing. Yeah, the green paint is so thin. See. Right, I don't want to bore you, I'll bring you back to show you what all the nastiness is underneath. Didn't expect to spend this much time on it today, or here. All that paint's gone. This one here, that. Right, noise alert. Just do it for a couple of minutes. So basically all I want to show you is how bad is the filler on this front wing. I'm going to finish polishing this back up. I'll be just doing the front top of the wing and that piece here. Alright. That was a bad mistake getting the old grinder in my hand. I'm not going to crack on the bare metal bug. Just started to take some paint off. Wowee. The dust has just settled. Done a little bit of cleaning. I need, I said it before, to get this Ghia at home. Only because I've got a garage. We got autumn coming, winter. This needs to get inside, take the splitty out for the weekend or for the odd night. Bung this one in. Then that gives me time to cover everything up in the garage. Grind all the paint off. I want to start with the front. I've just been thinking about it. If I finish taking all the paint off, and I'll start at the front, I'll work myself back. You know, make my own wheel well. Me and Big Al knocked up a panel for the Beige Beetle at home. Got a brilliant Vice bead rolling kit. Worked a treat. So, got plenty of metal. Make my own piece of metal there. And say, take the glass out. Work my way back. I've been watching a lot of videos on the sales, etc. So, still a little bit of a learning curve, especially when it's a one-piece body, etc. Nothing scares me no more. I think get him at home. Mrs. away on holiday next week. She's going abroad, and I'd like to see it back home then, so I can get at it for a couple of days. Yeah, I'll ring around, get a transport guy, stuff it. I'll get the caddy van home here, and I'm blabbing on. Right, I've got to get this bugger home. Anyway, started to do work on the bare metal bug, only because it's what pays the bills. So, I've got to get on with it. Right, thanks for watching. No nasty surprises. That was already there. But I'm hoping all this will be good. Take a look at the other side. Yeah, he's going to need inner sill there. And the bottom piece there. But I've even got a ramp at home. So I can smack them up on the ramp. To do these lower corners, we'll see what's hiding under this. That looks a bit thin actually. Whereas that there, that's a good 4mm of filler. That'll go right down, so remember that on the other side. But not as much as, where did I leave him? I don't know if you can see. That's a good 6mm, 1/4 inch right there. Right, thanks for watching. Beautiful day. Mrs. is just about to pick me up. Didn't want to spend so much time, a couple hours on this one today. But I'm glad I did. Glad I got the plan stuck in my head, and I'm going to stick with that bugger. Yeah. I'll rip out the wiring as well, do that at home. Clean up all this. Yeah. The Ghia's coming home. Right. With that, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And more on the Ghia to come in the future. Thank you. Cheers.